and welcome to another food blogging series. I love this series because it allows me to share something that I'm passionate about, that is food and how to become a food content creator. So today I'm going to talk about something very simple. The year is about to end, 2024 is coming, and I know so many people want to get into the online space. People are thinking, I want to get here, I want to do this, how is it done? So today I'm going to give you all the juice on becoming a content creator. If you've ever thought about being that, then you want to watch this video to the very end. I'm going to give you a step-by-step process of becoming a food content creator. If you want to know more, I have a food blogging masterclass where we talk about everything about being a food content creator, how to start, grow, and monetize your influence. And I'll leave the link in the description so that you can check it out. Let's get right into the video. So first, you need to identify what you are passionate about. Are you passionate about food? Are you passionate about the eating part or the cooking part? Are you passionate about cooking simple meals or you want complicated meals? Are you passionate about trying different meals from different regions or countries? What exactly are you passionate about? Why do you even want to become a food content creator in the first place? Maybe you have seen that people are doing things one way, you have a different approach to things and you want to bring that on board. Or maybe you just want to share what you have been used to cooking. Or you just want to, put your recipes that you've learned from your grandmother, your mom out there for people to see it. You need to have a purpose or a reason first before you start. That makes the journey way easier because first of all, you are having fun. So even if no money is coming in, even if no likes are coming in, you are having fun. Because trust me, when you're starting, it's not really that easy. So if you're not having fun, if you don't like what you're doing, if you're not passionate about it, you're going to give up quick. So that's the first thing. Why do you want to do this? What is your interest? What area or what angle do you want to take the approach from? Extremely important. Then we talk about the infamous having a niche. Everybody talks about niche. Is it even still relevant? So niche is still very, very relevant, but you can still infuse your personality and your daily lives into your content. So for example, even though I share primarily food content on most of my channels, I have content where I'm sharing a day in my life, what I do when I'm not creating content, when I'm traveling around, when I'm wearing a nice outfit to an event, right? But you need to start with something to get attention first. Right now, if I create a video of a get ready with me on my channel, people are still gonna like it because they already know what I have to offer. They know that is just an extra. But when you're starting out, you're coming from too many different angles. So today is get ready with me. The next day you're teaching us how to start a business. The next day you're coaching us on how to become a footballer. Like, what am I supposed to listen to? There's too many things going on. So having a niche is not to restrict you, it's a way for you to penetrate into the market. Like how when there's a new business and there are existing people around, the businesses would probably lower their cost, do a discount, buy one get one free. All these are not things they're going to do forever. It's just a penetration strategy for the people to get to know them, that okay, this brand is there. So when you're getting in, you need an angle to get in. Then when you grow to a certain point where people know you for that, you can branch into other things. That is why a niche is extremely important. And people also want to know that, okay, this is someone I can count on for this particular thing. When I go to Chef Lifestyle's page or when I go to Diary of a Kitchen Lover's page, I know that definitely I'll find a recipe. I don't have to scroll 100 pages or 100 posts before I find one recipe, because on top of that, there's gym, on top of that, there's sports, there's this, there's that. There are too many things, right? So you want to be known for something, you want to stand for something. That's why having a niche is extremely important. So many people feel like, oh, if I have a niche, I'm restricted, I have a smaller market, but you have bigger authority in that smaller market. As I said, people will come to you because they know that this person is good at this. And brands will come to you because you have a specified audience they are looking for. If you are doing everything, even though you may attract a larger group of brands, if a brand is looking for a specified audience, they wouldn't come to you. They'll go to someone that they look at. This person is doing only food. So I'm guaranteed that at least 80% of their audience are into food. That is why it's important to have a niche. So it's not to restrict you, it's actually to give you an easier way in. Okay? And even when it comes to food, there are niches in food. Because you have people that do baby food. You have people that do healthy food or foods that you can eat when you are on a weight loss journey or a weight gain journey, whatever. You have people that do only like local foods pertaining to their region or country. You have people that do continental foods. People that do only baking. right? So even in food, you need to specify. You can do all of them, right? But as I said, when you're known for a specific thing, it's easier to build authority in that field. For example, if I want baby food, I won't come to Chef Lifestyle's page. I won't go to my page for baby food. I know I can go to Kiddie Foodies, or I can go to Young Baby's page, because I know these people, no matter what, I'll find a recipe for my baby. If I want a wache recipe, I won't go to someone that does baking, only baking, because I know I'll not find wache recipe on a baking page. But if I'm looking for bread, if I'm looking for cake, if I'm looking for pastries, immediately I'm going to someone that does really baking, because it's easier to find that recipe there than someone that does general stuff or general recipes. So do you understand where I'm coming from? It makes it easier for you to build authority in a particular field and people to find you, and brands to even work with you because they know you have a specific audience they are looking for. Now, the next thing you have to do is to invest in your knowledge. Trust me, it's really, really important for you to know what you're doing, because people you are teaching, they know what they are doing, okay? That is what we get wrong. I know how to make vegetable stew already, but I'll still go and watch someone's video of vegetable stew recipe. To add up, it's not like I don't know at all. There are people that don't know at all that will come and learn, but majority of people know what they are doing already, okay? So you need to come up with an edge. There needs to be something interesting about you for people to want to watch you. So you need to invest in your knowledge, take courses, whether it's paid or free. As I said, I have a course on food blogging. If you are starting out and you want to know what to do, the link is in the description. You also, there's so many resources online that you can watch. What you're watching right now is a resource for when you are starting. There are books on photography, books on videography. There are platforms like Skillshare, Udemy, Coursera, Allison. You can take courses on food and photography and videography. Some are free, some are paid. So you have no excuse that I don't know what I'm doing, I don't know what is there, there's nothing there for me, I can't even do this, I can't do it, I've never done it before. You have no excuse. If you are giving yourself an excuse right now, please wake up. You don't have any excuse at all, right? The next thing is to invest in gadgets. When you are starting out, obviously you don't need all the gadgets in the world. I have a video on tools you need when you're starting out, either here or here, so do check it out. Or you can also check my food blogging playlist for all the videos on how to become a food blogger. Right, so you need to invest in tools, and some of the tools I would advise you to invest in is a good phone that can take videos and pictures. It's really, really important to get a good phone. You don't need a camera when you're starting out. If you have a camera already, that's great. You also need a tripod, extremely important, because the tripod is what is going to hold your phone, give it that stability for you to shoot your content. And you also need a backdrop. If you don't have a kitchen that you're going to be filming from, a backdrop is going to give you the illusion of a kitchen or a counter table or a table where you can film your recipes. And basically you have the rest. You have a stove in your house. If you don't have a stove, you can get a 1-burner stove, the smaller ones, and you use that. You have so many different cookwares at home. You have plates, forks, spoons, all the things you need, you have it already. So please, no excuse at all. Now, the fifth thing I'm going to do is now set up your social media platforms. Okay, so do you want to be on Instagram? Do you want to be on YouTube? Do you want to be on TikTok? Do you want to be on Twitter, X, wherever you want to be? Also, when it comes to the investing in your knowledge, you learn about these platforms. Don't just go there and act clueless. There's so many resources online for you to not know how it is done. I'm giving you guys a lot of tough love because we are in an age where you don't have an excuse. Okay, so if I'm going on Instagram, what am I going to be doing? What am I going to be posting? Am I going to be posting still images, carousels, and reels? What am I going to be posting on stories? If I'm going on TikTok, am I going to be doing short form videos? Am I going to do 10 minutes video, 5 minutes? Which you can do up to 10 minutes on TikTok. If I'm doing YouTube, do I have the capacity and time to create long form content and be consistent at it? You need to really be honest with yourself and assess your time, assess your effort, assess the resources you have at your disposal. Then finally, you have to learn how to edit the content that you shoot. So I think this can even fall under investing in your knowledge. How do you edit the content after you've created it? When you create recipes, how do you edit them? When you create pictures, how do you edit them? This is just basics levels. And everything I've shared in this video is basics. When you have these things in place, you are ready to start creating content and posting it online. I hope this video was beneficial. I hope you learned something. I hope you liked this video. And if you want more videos like this, let me know in the comments. But thank you so much for watching. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe and join the community. And I'll see you in another video. Bye.